Hello friends, bonjour et bienvenue à Learn French with Pooja. So today we are going to learn numbers in French from 21 to 100. Aujourd'hui, on va apprendre les nombres de 21 à 100. So in my earlier video, I have taught you the numbers from 1 to 20. So today we will move ahead from 21 to 100. Let's get started. Over here, 21. 21, as we know, 20 is said to be, yes, 1. And 21 is what? 20 plus 1. So that is 21. Et comes in place of 20 plus 1, that is plus, and 1 is a. So 21. 22, that is 20 plus 2, that is 1 the. Now remember, ET comes only with 21, 31, 41, 51 and 61, 71. That's it. And after that, we don't use ET. So 22 is 1 the, 23 1 trois, 24 24, 25 25, 26 26, 27 27, 28 28, 29 29, 30 30. Let's say again. Répétez avec moi. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Let's move ahead from 30 to 40, 30 to 40. Sorry, 31 to 41. So over here again 31 is what? 30 plus 1, that is 31. Say with me. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39 and 40 is 40. Okay. Now friends, over here again remember 32 is what? We can think it of as 30 plus 2. So 30 is 30, 2 is the. So 30. Similarly 33, 30 plus 3, 33. Remember ET comes only with 31 and rest we don't write ET in between. So let's say once again 31, 32, 33. Repeat after me. 34, 35, 36, 30 plus 6, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Bravo. Let's move ahead from 41 to 50. So here it comes. 41. Again 41 we use ET. 40 plus 1. 40 is 40. 1 is 1. So 41. Say with me. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46. Again 47, 40 plus 7. I'm just repeating this thing again and again in between so that you can understand how the numbers move ahead in French. 47, 40 plus 7, 40 is 40, 7 is 7. So 47, 48, 49, 50. 50 is 50. Let's see again. 41, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, Caron 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 with, Caron 50. Let's move ahead from 51 to 60. 51 again, that is 50 plus 1. So 50 we just now learned, that is 50. And 1, what is 1? Correct. And 51 again we have to use ET. How we use for 21, 31, 41, 51, 61 and 71. Correct. So 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. Let's repeat once again. Encore une fois. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59. Last, 60. Bravo. Let's move ahead from 61 to 70. Correct. So over here once again 61, same thing goes, 60 plus 1, that is 61, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68. Can you guess 69? 60 and 9, 60 plus 9, 60 is correct. 69 and 70, 70, 60 plus 10. Ok, répétez encore une fois avec moi. 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. Now from here there is some change in the numbers. Let's understand what is that. Let's repeat once again for time being. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. How we say these numbers? 20, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Correct. Now let's understand. After 70, what we do, till now we noticed for 21, 22, 23 or 31, 32, 33, we were following the series like 20 plus 1, 20 plus 2 or 40 plus 1, 41, 40 plus 5, 45. But for the series of 70 and 90, we follow the series of 11 to 19. That is o's, do's, threes, catus. How that comes out to be? Let's take one example. Let's take 71. So 71 we will take it as 60 plus 11. That is 71. So 60 is what? 60. And 11 is what? Can you tell me? Correct. Ounce. So that comes out to be 60 ounce. Similarly, 72 will be what? 60 plus 12. 72. Same thing we follow with the series of 90. 91 will be what? 80 plus 11. 92 will be what? 80 plus 12. Let's move ahead over here with the numbers from 71 to 80. So 71, how I told you, 60 plus 11, that is 71 ounce. Say with me, 71 ounce. 72, that is 60 plus 12. 72. Can you guess 73? Correct. 60 plus 13, that is 73. 73. 74. 75. 76. 77. 78. 79. And 80 is what? 80. Over here, remember, in 80, 80, there is an S. But when we write 81, 82, 83, something like that, this S is removed. So first of all, let's repeat again from 71 to 80. 71, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. Correct. Let's move ahead from 81 to 90. Now, 81 is what again? 80 plus 1. That is 81. Now, over here, you can see ET is not coming. ET comes only in 21, 31, 41, 51, 61 and 71. Remember friends. And how? In 80 we were having an S in 1. But over here we are not having that S. It is removed. So say again 81, 82, 83, 80, 3. So 80 plus 3, 83. 84. Can you guess 85? 80 plus 5? Correct. 85. 86. 87? Correct. 87. 88. 89. And 90. Again 80 plus 10. That is 90. Répétez encore une fois avec moi. 81. Repeat once again with me. 81. 82. 83. 84. 85. 86. 87. 88. 89. 90. Bravo. Let's move ahead from 91 to 100. Again remember, in the series of 90, we use the series of 11. That is ones, dos, threes like that. So 91 is what? 80 plus 11. So 80 is 80 and 11 is ons. So it comes out to be 80 ons. Remember. Similarly, when we say 92, it is 80 plus 12. That is 80, 80, 12, 12. 92. Correct. Let's move ahead. 83, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99 and last 100. 100. Répétez encore une fois avec moi. Say again once with me. 91, 92, 93, quatre-vingt-treize, quatre-vingt-quatorze, quatre-vingt-quinze, quatre-vingt-seize, quatre-vingt-dix-sept, quatre-vingt-dix-huit, quatre-vingt-dix-neuf, 100. Okay. Merci beaucoup. See you all soon in my next video. Till then, au revoir. Bye.